Let's talk IPO. I'm your host, Dekhi Mishandani, and we'll be talking about Netweb Technologies. Delhi-based high-end computing solution HCS provider, Netweb has launched the IPO on July 17th, that's today. Monday, the IPO aims to raise around 631 crore and includes an offer for sale of around 8.5 million equity share. The price band is fixed in the range of 475 to 500 per equity share. The company has already raised 189 crore via Anchor Book ahead of the IPO, and this includes the name of something like Nomura, Goldman Sachs, Motilal Oswal, Franklin Templeton, Nippon Life India, HDFC Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential, along with Aditya Birla and Axis Mutual Fund. These are some of the names out there which have already invested via Anchor Book. Let's get to know more about the company first. It's the country's leading Indian-origin owned and controlled OEM in the space of high-end computing solutions, providing supercomputing system, private cloud and HCI, data center services along with AI systems and enterprise workstation. It also has high-performance storage solution. 3 of company's supercomputers have been listed 11 times in the world's top 500 supercomputers. The company is one of the first Indian OEM to enter workstation market in India. Now, let's talk about the IT reservation and the issue structure. QIB portion not exceeding 50%, H&I to an extent of not less than 15%, and the retail investment not less than 30-35% out there. The company is, the lot size is 30 shares, and eligible employees are also offered a discount of around 25 rupees per share. The employee reservation portion allows for up to 20,000 equity shares. Since part of the issue is also OFS, the selling shareholders who are the promoter, essentially they include Sanjay Lodha, Naveen Lodha, Vivek Lodha, Neeraj Lodha. These are some of the guys out there in the promoter community out there. Let's understand the timeline now. The IPO opens for subscription on July 17th. Will close. It's a 3-day offer subscription, so close on July 19th. As per Chittorgarh website, the basis of allotment of equity shares essentially will be done on July 24th, while initiation of refund will be carried on 25th. The proposed equity share will be credited approximately in the DMAC accounts by 26th, and the listing perhaps will take place on July 27th now. Let's understand what's the objective of this offer. The company intends to utilize the net proceeds first, funding capital expenditure requirement for civil construction of the building for the surface mount technology, that's SMT line, and interior development and purchase of equipment, machinery for the new SMT production line. The funding for long-term working capital requirements is another objective out there. And third one is the repayment or prepayment in full or in part of certain outstanding borrowing. Now, let's understand a little bit about the financial profile of the company. The company's revenues, essentially top line, has grown by 1.8 times from 272 crore to 445 crore. Bottom line has grown by 2.1% over the last year from 22 crore to 47 odd crore. The margins have remained in the range of 11 to 15%. It has achieved a CAGR of 75% from FY21 to 23 and close to 138% for profit over the same period. So 75% on top line and 138% on the bottom line from FY21 to 23. In terms of revenue profile, the company obtains more than 39% from supercomputing, 33% from private cloud, 7% from AI, and another 7% from HPS solution and data server, 5% from spare parts, and remaining 2% from software and services for HCS offering. Now, key highlights of the company. First, it's the country's leading Indian-origin owned and controlled OEM for HCS with integrated design and manufacturing capability. It also operates in a rapidly evolving and technologically advanced climate industry with a very high entry barriers out there. That's another highlight. Third is the significant product development and innovation through R&D, which is working in their favor. Fourth, of course, is the long-standing relationship with marquee and diverse customer base. Track record of the financial performance and consistent growth profile also is something that we need to talk about. Well, this is the wrap. Thank you so much for tuning in.